Welcome to your Chromebook. What we're going to be covering in this video is some general rules on how you should use and handle your Chromebook provided to you by the school. So here we go. So the first thing you have to realize is you need to understand what are your classroom teachers' expectations about how you're going to use this Chromebook. Number one, we want to make sure you have all food and drinks away from your Chromebook. That includes a water bottle that you might have near your desk. If you do have your water bottle out, it should be on the floor and not on the desk or table next to your device. When you're using your Chromebook, you want to make sure it stays only in your classroom. If your specials teacher wants you to bring it with, they would let you know, but otherwise you're not going to be walking around to different parts of the building unless given specific instructions by an adult. Those devices need to stay in your classroom. If you are walking to another part of the building and you have your Chromebook with you, please remember Chromebooks should never be taken into bathrooms. What you should do is get them into the classroom and then go back and use the restroom. Don't bring the Chromebooks into the bathroom because that's not necessarily the best spot for those to be kept. So when you're using your Chromebook, we want you to be a superhero. Everyone loves that. You want to make sure that you use it using your supreme digital citizenship knowledge. Basically, make sure that your Chromebook is used safely, respectfully, and responsibly. These Chromebooks aren't going to be used as a tool for your learning. So we want to make sure that what you're doing on the devices are going to be items and things that you're going to need to use for school. You will never want to keep your username and password on a piece of paper or on the top of your device. Good digital citizenship means that your username and password is kept private. While you are using your Chromebook, you want to make sure no matter what site you're on, you don't give out any personal information. And if you have questions about that, your teacher can assist you. What happens if you're online and you see something that is maybe not appropriate? Well, sometimes when you search, it may take you to the wrong place. What you want to do is you want to very quickly get out of the site and then adjust what you're seeing. Remember that you are on a school device and we have software that can go through and monitor what you're on, even if you're not in the building. So we want to be aware of that. The other option is if you back out quickly out of the site, you should also close your Chromebook and make sure that you talk to your teacher about something that maybe it came up that would be inappropriate. Remember that what you search on your Chromebook is not private. It is visible to everyone in the school. While you have your device and you're walking around, we want to make sure you think about how you carry it. And we're going to use the concept of close and carry. What does that mean? You want to make sure when you're walking with your Chromebook that you have the lid closed and that you hold on to the Chromebook with two hands and put your thumbs on top and fingers underneath, just like you would carry your lunch tray. And sometimes when you have that lunch tray, you think about, this is a big bowl of soup and I don't want to spill it. And you want to make sure that you are carrying it level and carefully. And as always, we should never run when carrying our Chromebook. We want to make sure we use our walking feet. So we want to make sure we never see a Chromebook that has a screen that looks like this. So how can we prevent screen damage? Well, you want to keep everything off of your keyboard and screen, including pens, pencils, earbuds, even a loose piece of paper. So never put anything between your screen and your keyboard. They are fragile. We should not write on them, draw on them, or trace on them. We want to make sure you protect your screen so you don't ever have this image. So what would happen if your Chromebook didn't work anymore? What you would need to do is you need to reach out to your teacher and let them know, and they're going to help you to fill out a tech ticket to make sure that we can get your device fixed. The school will have loaners that they could lend out to you while your device gets fixed. So make sure when you're using your Chromebook in the classroom that you're being really safe online as well as walking around with it as well. I hope you have a great school year.